Smoke off a night car, smoking the light. Cold rain kissing cold city stone. I never told Crystal I'd be going tonight, that in my heart's dark quiet I've already gone, always been gone, soul stealing away from boneyard temples and rivers run wrong. The radio dubbing out an old jungle break, rubber ghosts chasing every exit I fake. Memories seep through cracks in the beat, rocking the car, freaking the wires, leaking juice in the dark. Tiny spits of rain spike the window's mouth. I'm soul driving north as the wind screams south. Motorway rain sucking speed spun wheels, double wet lights white lined on the drag. My nerves are all shut, but beside me I feel the 9 bars snug in my overnight bag. Stripped trees mesh the sky in a shut sunroof, ganglioid fury of wind-ripped lungs. 5 years talking to his tongues with Jimmy Lee was fool's gold down in the Irish Sea. Fools go down where mermaids bleed. Oh my love, won't you wait for me? Shanghai Jimmy Lee was a talented liar, but I believed him when he said he'd cut me. I knew the edge of his black tiger blade, the mad truth of his fire. I'll push in a cassette like a fat cash card. Sub-bass, Lee Scratch Perry on the wire. I remember him coked up, ripped off his head, screaming through the lights as gold turned to red, saying it's all the same, kid, in the end, if you're living or dead, if you're speeding or cruising, it's all in your head. You remember Fast Annie from East Kilbride? Sweet F.A. Sure, I've been trying to forget her, I said. Oh, she's tight with the Yanks on the Holy Lock. It's a sweet, sweet deal. You don't have to shag her. Just in and out, all your debts burned off. You get me, kidder? It's business, mate. She may have fucked more Yanks than the fires in Kuwait, but now she's dealing weights, and we all know it's getting late. So the car's jammed up with skeletal music, echo-looped sirens and bittersweet fruit. Imaginary passengers asking me if I'm running away or digging my roots. All I know is I've got no cigarettes, the lights are a sadness and I need one bad. And in the back speakers, Lee Scratch Perry's still going, thank you, Lord, for making me mad. I've got one hand on the wheel and a prayer flag crushed in a fist of light. The M6 is empty, the nights are gloved. Sugar love, music dub, holy dove. Dad gone, doves flown out through the cracks in his ribs from 1,000 mouths of his choirs. Mother mad in soul, grown old in the bin, lingering to drizzle. Forgetting, still smelling a young girl's rain. Stuck 2 years on a crossword puzzle. Back in the city, Crystal Jane's still wearing my silver Egyptian ring, waiting for a plot to unfold or the lights to change on Catherine Street, while I'm out here on hold, my head on the wheel, as radiant lights go supernova in the rear view mirror. And cat's eyes chink with a twinkle of mirth as the tarmac swathes through half-dark cities of my heart's quiet, a drugged beast in its cage. The sea's a rage of blackness leaching oil off the beach. I think of Charlie X, a flare, a reach of hope, a mandala of coloured sand thrown across my cargo here that's worth near $5,000. Charlie made a space for the Holy Isle, the water spirit spit of land with its stones of precious water, the weir, the well where ruined temples shelter Arthur's bones. He's gone searching for an unstoned high, original licks, a wind-sucked cross, rune-carved, blown, a once and future king who wants to die to all this fuckery so well disguised as kicks. I pull up the car by the hunchback ridge of the Witch's Hill where the coast road falls to the sea. I rip the bag's ribs, waste the coke in foamy waves, spit on the sand and skim a stone for crystal's ageless grace. A sea fog explodes round midnight light, and there's no land, only a vastness I can't pretend to understand, but kneel before to feel the salt spray turn to fine sea rain. And the car has a quark of darkness, a dwarf star, tail lights streaking phosphor traces on the tar as I squeeze the juice hard home to the floor. Scary, necessary, raw, an ultimate kiss. And the road's nothing but the rain. My bliss is empty, nothing but itself. Just this.